Hi, guys. Are you experiencing black screen troubles with your Apple phone? In this video, we will guide you how to fix it. Fix 1. Force restart iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side, power, button until the Apple logo appears. After the device restarts, check if the black screen issue has been resolved. Fix 2. Use iOS system repair software. Make sure you have the latest version of iTunes on your PC. Go to the iSunshare official website. Download and install iOS Repair Genius on your computer. Run the software and select the System Repair option. Choose standard mode that not cause data loss. Click the Start button. Connect your device to your computer with a USB cable. Click Next to continue. The software will automatically recognize your device model. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Note, the device's iOS will be upgraded to the latest version. Click the Repair button to start repairing. The device will be repaired successfully in a while. Fix 3. Update iPhone software. Go to Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. Tap Update Now. Then follow the instructions to download and install the software. Fix 4. Restore iPhone to factory reset. Connect your iPhone to computer. Then put it into recovery mode. Open iTunes. Select the Restore option. Click the Restore and Update. Follow the prompts to complete the process. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.